In this series, But What About AirCrete, I'm going to be answering your most frequently asked and often overlooked questions. We have been living and building and teaching AirCrete for years now, and with the state of the world and the economy and the uncertain times, there's never been a better time for you to get your own home affordably built that's going to keep you comfortable. So rather than do what most people do and just sit around and talk out of our... But what are AirCrete blocks used for? Well, AirCrete blocks are most commonly used to build domes. We have to cut them into shape, shave off the edges just a little bit, and that allows us to use square building material to build a dome. You can obviously also use AirCrete blocks anywhere you would use normal AirCrete blocks, so long as they're thick enough to meet the technical demands and loads of your structure. The disadvantage to AirCrete blocks would maybe be a slight loss of insulation in the mortar between the blocks.